Hi, I'm Stephanie Carroll, owner of Accelerate Spreadsheet Solutions, and I help businesses accelerate their business by saving them a ton of time through automation. What I wanted to cover today was the ability to email out of Excel. A lot of people don't realize that you can do this. There are a couple of ways that are already built in that you can do. So at the very top, there's this thing called the Quick Access Toolbar, and you can see I have already some of my favorite shortcuts up there. But you can simply add an email shortcut there, and then you see a little email icon. Likewise, I've attached a group to my ribbon already, and you can also search the word send, and then you can see that you get some shortcuts or actions there. However, I had a client who creates a report. He tracks all kinds of metrics and numbers for each of his clients, and every month he emails directly a KPI report and an action report to his clients. So we have set him up a little icon for emailing. So every month, all he has to do is click there, and there's some underlying VBA code that makes this work. To begin, however, you can see here we've set up an email sheet where he puts some basic parameters in there for his reports. So you can send an email to, a CC, a subject line for the email, what's in your email body, and of course, in this case, also a folder to save his PDF to, and the name of the file that is going to be saved there. Now note that you can add more than one person here. All you would have to do is add another email to it. I'm just going to make up this. And you're all set. So I'll show you how that works. So let's say he's finished his month off, all the stuff's entered in all the different tabs that he has. He clicks this button and it will pop up a window. Now note, you can set this up so that it doesn't pop up automatically. And when I don't have all my video recording software up, it actually is quite fast and instantaneous. As you can see here the email is popped up with all the parameters that we had predefined, and his PDF is attached. If you click on the PDF, you can see that it's created. And if you want to see that it's in the folder, you can see there, it's under the C Demos folder, it's there as well. Now, I'm not going to bother sending it, but you can just hit send and it goes. Now, what happens if I hit this button again? Will it overwrite the old file? No, you can set it up that way, but we have it set up so that it tells you there's already a file there, so he can't accidentally save over an old file. Now note that my client is having his emails pop up. You can set it up so that you don't have that happen and it just sends emails out in the back end. But by bringing it up, it gives you a chance to double check, add any other text or information you want to the email. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that demo. If this is something you or your business would love to have, please don't hesitate to reach out. My consultations are always free, so let me know. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up or follow me on YouTube for more tips to come in the future. Have a wonderful day.